look what I found. Look what ran in front of my van. It's a beautiful Roadrunner. They're usually pretty skittish, but being that this one lives in the city, I think is probably more bold. Hi! Look at its crest. Hi, sweetie! Where are you going? Hi! It's checking me out. Hi, sweetie! What are you doing? I like how it lifts its tail feathers. Wonder how close I can get to it. And they can really run too. They're, you know, Roadrunner. But it's definitely interested in me, checking me out. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Oh, look at how gorgeous. What a treat in the desert. Hi. Hi, sweetie. There he goes. I believe they live in the shrubs, like at the base of shrubs. I don't think they can fly, maybe short distances. I'll have to Google that one. Bye, baby. Bye. Have a great day. Happy holidays.